Hello. In this video, we're looking at working out the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of 120 and 144. Let's go. So we're going to do the factor tree for 120 and 144. Now we need two numbers that you multiply together to give you 120, 2 and 60. If it's a prime number, you circle it. If not, you move on. Two numbers are multiplied to give you 60 will be 2 and 30. Circle the 2 because 2 is a prime number. Then you move on. Two numbers that you multiply to give you 30. 2 and 15. 2 times 15 is 30. Then you circle the 2 again. Okay. Now 15. Two numbers you multiply to give you 15 is 3 and 5. They are both prime numbers, so you circle them. Now we do 144. 12 times 12. And for 12, you get 3 times 4. And here you get 3 times 4. 3 is a prime number. You circle it. You move on with the 4. 2 times 2. Same here. 2 times 2. And then you circle. Okay. Now you can use this to find the HCF and the LCM. All right. So let's look at the pairs now. I think it's best we write it out. Okay, so if I write it out, that the LCM, so if I write 120 first, 120, and then 144. So for 120, the factor 3 is 2 times 2 times 2 times times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, and then for 144 we have this, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, now we can rub this off. Now we look at the pairs. Okay, now let's pair them up. We have 2 there, we have 2 there, and that's another 2. Is 3 common? Yes, this 3 is also common. Okay, so the HCF, the highest common factor, is you multiply all the numbers in the pairs together. Okay, so we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so the HCF is 24. Right, now let's look at the LCM. So LCM, lowest common multiple, is the HCF, that's all the pairs and then the leftovers. These numbers are leftover. We have the 2, we have the 3, and we have the 5. Okay, so the HCF is 24 times all the leftover numbers, right? Which is times 2 times 3 and then times 5. If you multiply that together, that will give you 720. So this is how to use the factor tree to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of two numbers. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.